Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the Nasty Nate channel. You see it right here. We finally found a 4-inch exhaust. My dude Welfare Off-Road giving me the hookup on his new old stock exhaust that he bought for his LBZ a few years back, but never installed it. So we have the pleasure of putting this on the Yukon today. This is a regular LBZ kit for, you know, this body style truck, but they're made for every cab configuration except the single cab. And from what I've read, you can basically piece this together with a little bit of magic to fit on a Yukon. Luckily, it's the 4-inch, so it'll fit a little bit easier. We have the 5-inch on the single cab, so we will be able to do some comparison videos. We've got the 3-inch downpipe on this and 3-inch downpipe on the single cab over there. So that'll be some cool videos in the future. But without further ado, let's get the 4-inch on here because we are running open downpipe right now, which you can't really see, but it's kind of obnoxious. So let's do it. Well guys, it's been a few days since we got the exhaust on. I actually don't have this fender liner in, so we can see it right here. Had to buy a new clamp, and then it is ran just like a 4-inch exhaust would run on a regular LBZ truck. So this side is a little crusty, so let's hear it down in the comments. But we are taking this out to Cars and Coffee. We'll see if anybody notices. Taking the baby Daisy. Do you want to get some coffee? See the cars? We're just gonna get her some milk, but hopefully we have a good day at Cars and Coffee. And we'll see if anybody notices this thing. Dayton Cars and Coffee is a pretty big thing for the last couple years. And there's a lot of people that take like crazy cars out here, Corvettes and supercars and all kinds of cool stuff. Not very many trucks, so this should be kind of funny. So stay tuned. Let you guys hear it before we get started today. It's just too funny hearing that in a Yukon, but I love it. This thing is surprisingly quiet inside. Honestly, I didn't expect that. Even my single cab is still really loud on the inside, but that's an axle dump 5-inch, and this is a, you know, the exhaust comes out in the normal spot 4-inch, so that probably makes a big difference if it's not an axle dump, but it still does sound good. What did you say, Daisy? A race car? She knows we're about to go see some race cars, so hopefully it's a pretty good day. Hopefully I can get some decent footage for you guys. Stay tuned. Can't go to Cars and Coffee without any coffee. Yay! So quiet in the cab now. It's perfect really, because when you're outside of it, the 4-inch sounds amazing, but when you're driving it, it almost sounds like it's the stock exhaust, because this thing is so like big and sealed up that the exhaust is out the back and it's so far away that you really can't hear it. We got the hood popped on the Yukon. We'll see if anybody notices. But we made it out to Cars and Coffee. Just gonna walk around and see what happens. See what we can find. What are you doing? One of the nastiest cars out here. These things are hard to come by in this color. C6 Z06, 427 7-liter dry sump from the factory. These are rowdy cars. Think we need one? Do we need one of these, Daisy? No, you don't want a Mustang. You want an LS7. My buddy Matt's TA, we had to meet him out here. You've probably seen this on the channel if you've been watching, but this thing's rowdy. Just threw a cam in it. It's got long tube headers, cool wheels. Always wanted a black WS6. There it is. He won't give it to me. Check out the C10 LS. Matt said he thought it was a 5.3. Saw it on Marketplace. And then we got the 454 SS over here. Some rowdy trucks. Found another truck. Thing is clean. Do we need one of those, Daisy? No? What are you talking about? Alright guys, Cars and Coffee was a success. Super fun time. Daisy had a really fun time. I'm sure you saw all the videos. She's reading the pumpkin book with the bunny. But I think we confused a lot of people. I had the hood popped the whole time because I wanted to see if people would go look under the hood at this thing. And it's just a car show that people get confused about when you bring a truck up there. So it was kind of funny, super fun time to get this thing out and kind of run around and see if anyone notices. It's definitely not something to show off, but it is fun to drive and fun to bring out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll get some exhaust clips for you here in a second.